Hey, skiers. Well, if you're anything like me, you know, I've been skiing for a long time and always envied the snowboarders, looking at them with their comfortable boots and everything. And I thought there's got to be a better way for us skiers. And sure enough, this company, Apex, makes a boot that says and advertises that it's much like snowboard boots, but has an exoskeleton on it that gives you the performance that you need as a skier. So I decided to get their latest boot, the Crestone VS, and just came in the box. And I'm going to open it here, and we'll see what this is like. And tomorrow I plan to go do some skiing with it. So opening the box, there's some preseason. It looks like they sent me 2 preseason check guides. There's a welcome guide with a lot of instructions. Looks like the BOA system, which is the how to tighten the inner boot around your foot, buckle adjustments, cant adjustments, forward lean adjustments. So I'll get through all that tonight and give it a shot. Wow, actually comes nicely packaged with this microfiber boot bag for each boot. So let's see what this looks like here. Undo and open it up, and let's see here. Looks like it's tied in a knot slightly. So we'll get the knot undone, and there we go. Pull the boot out. The unveiling. There we go. So it looks nice. Got polycarbonate buckles on it, and there's 3 of them. The BOA adjustments here, and let's see what else is in here. Oh, cuff piece and stuffing. Let's see what happens. We'll undo the buckles. See if we can remove the boot, which is the biggest thing I want to try tonight, and see if it actually fits the way it should. And let's move this off to the side. Oh, there we go. And something popped loose. Let me see what that is. Oh, it looks like they had a protector on the side. So it almost looks like a snowboard boot. You know, the rounded front. It's pretty stiff. So it is, the inside here is moldable. So if you heat it up, it'll mold to your foot. Then, see, inside I can see the forward lean adjustments here and here. The cant adjustments on each side, here and here. Boy, that's pretty stiff. So hopefully that will hold up to the performance that I'd like to see out of a regular ski boot. What else is in the box? Obviously the other boot here. And, oh, it looks like they gave you a carrying strap for the skeletons, for the frame, so you can bring those separate while you walk to the parking lot, from the parking lot, which is a cool thing, right? Because you can walk on these and supposedly just snap those in and you're good to go. And we'll find out tomorrow. And then, let's see, there are adjustments here in the bag for the cant, forward lean, and of course the BOA label talking about the adjustments for the foot. So now it's time to try it on, see how it fits. Make sure it fits my foot properly, because I cannot send it back without a penalty being paid. They don't take returns after you ski on them. So I got to make sure everything fits tonight. We'll hook them up to the skis, get the skis all prepped, and tomorrow we'll give them a shot. Back in a few. Okay, here we are a few hours after unboxing the boots, and did a bunch of things. First thing I did was actually try on the liner. I will have to say that I was pretty disappointed I was frustrated. I have a 7.5-foot D width, and as much as I pulled the liner apart here, I still couldn't get my foot in very well. It took a lot of pressure to get in there. And when I got inside the liner, it felt like I was Cinderella's sisters trying to put my foot in the glass shoe. So I was a little upset. I was thinking I was going to have to send everything back and it wasn't going to work. Then I decided to go ahead and try the heat molding, and went to the YouTube and followed REI's instructions on heating up the liner. And the right boot took the first time. I had to do a second heating with the left boot. It wasn't quite wide enough for my foot. And now it goes on really well, and it's rather comfortable. So we'll be heading out tomorrow morning, going up to Cannon Mountain on the East Coast here, and we'll be giving it a try. I've got a camera mounted on the skis. I'm interested to see the flex and how much this stiffens up in the cold weather. I have not adjusted the flex on this yet. I've left it to their default setting. I did adjust the cant. If you look at it, you'll see that there is a slight cant to it. So I did adjust the cant to account for my legs, and we'll give it a shot tomorrow and see what it's like to ski in these puppies. Okay, we're here at Cannon Mountain. Skiing is so-so. Lots of bare spots, a lot of rain. But we're going to give the boots a try. Definitely the boots do look like I got snowboard boots on my skis. So here's a quick picture of them. But we're gonna give it a shot, see what happens. And I'll take pictures from the skis and from the helmet. So first takes on the boots. They feel a little different than my technical racing boots. Those boots are very large, stiff. These are much more comfortable. I am definitely going to add a little more forward lean to them and stiffen up the flex. They are, however, very responsive. I do have to put a little more pressure than I'm used to doing with my Technica boots. But again, once I stiffen them up, I think it'll take care of it. Really nice part about these, though, is that, certainly going into the lodge, just undoing the buckles on the skeleton, on the frame, and being able to walk around like all the snowboarders can, certainly a great plus. So comfortable, they're warm. The fit, now that I heat molded them, is great. Responsiveness is good. Could be better, but like I said, I'm gonna stiffen that up. So all in all, I do recommend these boots, especially if you've been skiing for a long time and want something a little more comfortable.